Hello everybody, it's Jodi. I wanted to come on today and tell you that I'm excited to start scrapbooking again. So if you've been following me at all, you know that like quick and creative cards are my thing. I don't typically spend a super long time on a card. I like it to be special, have some fun element or embellishment to it, but quick and creative, and I keep it moving. And that's kind of my style with scrapbooking as well. So way before I started card making, like years before, I was scrapbooking. And I just really enjoyed scrapbooking. That's kind of what got me introduced to card making. I did scrapbooks for my kids when they were growing up, and I've gotten away from scrapbooking and I really miss it. And so I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing with my cards, but I'm gonna work in some scrapbooking too. And I'm not going to do it like for the senior project in high school. I just want to do it for me. I want to have like a family scrapbook. So it's not going to be where like, one kid has their stack of scrapbooks and then here's the next kid and here's the next kid. It's going to be a family like yearbook, a family highlight album. So I'm not going to do probably every single event or outing or gathering, but I'm just going to hit the highlights and, do some journaling in there that I think will just be something really special to look back on in the years to come, and for my kids and grandkids to do that too. So I'm excited just on a personal level to start scrapbooking again. And I think it's pretty cool that while I've been having these feelings and desire to get back into it, Stampin' Up is coming out with this brand new, I was going to say product, but it's more than a product. It's an actual event. It's called a virtual album retreat. Now, this is something that's new to me. And you may or may not know, but a little over a year ago, Stampin' Up acquired another company. It was called Close to My Heart. They were going out of business. Stampin' Up acquired that company, and that company was very scrapbook focused. And so the cool thing is Stampin' Up is like maintaining what it was and always has been, but it's also having an intentional focus on scrapbooking. And so the new Stampin' Up demonstrators that were formerly with the other company are just bringing so much creativity and experience and wisdom and helping Stampin' Up develop some new products. And the virtual album retreat is one of those new things. So I'm going to be quite honest. I don't have personal experience to say to you, this thing is so cool. This is worth every penny. I love it. I can't wait to do it again. Like, it's brand new to me and I've never done it. I'm super excited to do it, but I don't have any firsthand personal experience. I will tell you that every person who came to Stampin' Up from Close to My Heart, I have not heard a single negative thing. In fact, the things I'm hearing are, this is the highlight of my year. This is the best thing. I look forward to this. I love this. I learned so much. There's tips, there's techniques, there's exclusive products that are included. Like, they are raving about it. And so I'm excited because of that, because they do have the experience and I want to get in on that and I want to start scrapbooking again. So I am going to, tomorrow, May 28th, I'm going to be ordering my virtual album retreat. We can start ordering tomorrow, me as a demonstrator and you as a customer. We can order tomorrow. It's while supplies last. I have no idea what that means. I just know I want one. And so I'm going to be ordering right away tomorrow. So a little bit about what to expect. I don't know a ton, like I said, as far as true expectations and personal experience. But what I do know is that there are 12 two-page layouts, and they're packaged in a way that it's like, okay, I pull out this little bag and this is one layout. All the design is done. All the pieces are pre-cut. There's die cuts, there's cardstock, there's papers, there's embellishments. There's 4 exclusive stamp sets. So it's going to be really easy to do. I like that because quick and creative, right? I want to get it done. I can add things if I want to certain layouts. I can maybe take things away if it's too much for me. When I scrapbook, I like the photos to pretty much be the focal point. I like some things in the background, and depending, if it's a holiday, I might do it up a little bit more, but I like my pages to be quick and creative too. And so I might modify the layouts that they give us in this kit. I'm not sure yet. But there's all sorts of materials included. Like I said, 4 exclusive stamp sets, all the supplies, the die cuts, the pre-cut material to do 12 2-page layouts. So that is all in there. Once you order, you get invited to an exclusive Facebook group. And then in that Facebook group is where this virtual retreat happens. It's mid-July. And the thing that's cool about it, because it's happening in the Facebook group, for one thing, like if you're used to traveling to go to scrapbooking weekends, that can get really expensive with your food and your hotel and gas and all of that. So this is pretty cool because it's virtual and it's just on Facebook, so super easy to access. And if I'm not available the dates that it's happening, it doesn't matter because I can access it whenever I want to. It's a 3-day event. I can watch a couple of the things live, and if I want to go back and watch the rest, just the recording of the video, I can do that. And it's all there in that Facebook group to just access when I want to. If I want to have some friends over and we all do it together, it's super flexible in how you use it. So you'll order the virtual album retreat starting tomorrow. You get invited to the exclusive Facebook group, and then the event happens mid-July, and you can access it whenever you want. So that all sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? There's one thing, and it's a pretty big thing. The price point is significant. It's $250 for this virtual album retreat. And I don't say that lightly. Like, I am 100% in. I am ordering this tomorrow morning, first thing. But it's an investment. It's a decision to make. What I like about it is that I'm going to have 12 2-page layouts done. I'm going to have lots of products. I'm going to have exclusive stamp sets. I'm going to earn 10% back or $25 back in Stampin' Rewards. And of course, because I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I get my demonstrator discount. So I'm not going to pay the full retail amount of $250. So that's something else to consider. If you would like to take advantage of this month's starter kit special, our starter kit is really always a great deal, but it's even better this month. Usually you pay $99 plus tax. Shipping's always free on the starter kit. Usually you pay $99 plus tax and you get to choose up to $125 in product. This month it's $165 and you get to pick. It's not like when I started 24 years ago and it was like, it's $200 and this is what you get. You get to choose what you want up to $165 and pay $99 plus tax. It's an amazing deal. But not only are you getting a great deal on the starter kit, but you can use your now demonstrator discount to purchase that virtual album retreat. So I will purchase it for $200 instead of $250, and I'll get the $25 back in Stampin' Rewards. So I just want to encourage you to take a look at it. I'm excited to start scrapbooking again. Whether or not you decide to do the virtual album retreat obviously is entirely up to you. I'm excited about it. I know it's an investment, but I think it's a good investment, and I think I'm going to really enjoy it. So stay tuned. You'll always see quick and creative cards from me, but you might just be seeing some quick and creative scrapbook layouts in the near future too. So that's what I've got for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment here or reach out to me privately. I'm happy to help. All right, have a great day.